The $1,800 Pixel Fold is Google's expensive first attempt at a foldable smartphone. Unfortunately, in some ways, it falls flat. Google's first attempt is just that, an attempt. The company's high-quality Pixel camera attached to a foldable, but it's not the revolution we've been promised. At $1,800, it's a potential alternative to the other ultra-expensive squashable devices out there. Perhaps next year's version will iron out its kinks, but for now, it's not that good of a start. Perhaps the best way to explain this is by unfolding it. While closed, you don't see any of the rounded edges. This device does not open completely flat. And while Samsung has been working to decrease the size of its center crease, the Pixel Fold has a gully running down its center. In a lot of ways, the Pixel Fold is just an iteration on what's come before. Now, the actual device makes sense in a lot of ways. You don't get the same kind of functionality you do from a regular Pixel device. There's no chin and no back button. Instead, you have a lot more gesture controls in order to actually pull up tabs and different functionality. The best thing about foldables, in my opinion, is the ability to use it in dual screen mode, and Google makes this pretty easy. You load up any app, and then just by swiping up from the bottom, you can bring up another toolbar. From there, you pick any other app, just drag it to the other side of the screen, and there you have two screens running at once. However, as for the camera, some of the best functionality comes from kickstand mode. And since it's using Google's high-quality cameras, you can get some good night shots out of it as well. Probably the biggest sticking point on this device, just like any foldable, is the price. $1,800 is gonna run you up. Now consider that you could get a very strong laptop and another phone for the same price. It's kind of defeating the purpose if you really just want a two-in-one. Pixel Fold 2 will certainly be interesting once Google works out how to reduce its bevels but maintain durability. But I'm still waiting for the next company to crack the sub $1,000 foldable. I don't know if anybody ever will. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out other Gizmodo videos here on YouTube.